scared anymore. That leap of faith, I'm like, AB, proud from Tondo. And then sumingit siya. Oh my gosh. Sumisingit siya kasi, alam mo yun, we were driving an Expander. It was like, suspension is like that. Pero yung Fortuner na yun, oh my gosh, alanganin. So, visual, guys. Dapat 800 lang. Ang lakas talaga ng ego ko. Na sinabi ko, pwede din. Si Andrea pwede sa gulong. Pwede din si Andrea sa boot, sa hood, sa trunk. Soon, kasi I miss you. I'll just make time. Yan. Just tignan mo yung profile niya. Basta may mga million likes, may like